The friendly alien. One sunny afternoon, a loud crash echoed through the park. Curious children playing nearby turned their heads to see what had caused the noise. To their surprise, a strange spaceship had landed right in the middle of their favorite playground. As the children cautiously approached the spaceship, its door opened, revealing a friendly alien standing inside. The alien looked confused and lost, its big eyes scanning the unfamiliar surroundings. The children couldn't believe their eyes. A real alien had landed in their park. The alien stepped out of the spaceship, its silver suit shining in the sun. It made soft noises, trying to communicate with the children. The children watched in awe as the alien gestured towards the spaceship, seemingly asking for help. Without hesitation, the children gathered around the alien, offering smiles and friendly gestures in return. They could sense that the alien was not a threat, but rather in need of assistance. The children, filled with curiosity and excitement, decided to help the friendly visitor repair its spaceship. As they looked at the spaceship, the children realized that it was damaged and needed to be fixed before the alien could continue its journey. They knew it wouldn't be an easy task, but they were determined to help their new friend in need. And so, the adventure of the friendly alien and the children in the park began. The group of children, intrigued by the presence of the friendly alien, slowly approached the spaceship. They could hear the alien making soft noises, as if trying to communicate with them. The alien looked at the children with big, curious eyes, seemingly thankful for their presence. The children cautiously greeted the alien, offering friendly smiles and gestures. They could see that the alien was not scared of them, but rather looking for help. The children felt a sense of responsibility to assist the alien in any way they could. As they got closer to the spaceship, the children could see that it had some broken parts and was in need of repair. They looked at each other, silently agreeing to help the alien fix its spaceship. They knew it wouldn't be an easy task, but they were determined to do their best to help their new extraterrestrial friend. The children started to ask the alien simple questions, trying to understand its needs and how they could assist in repairing the spaceship. The alien, using gestures and expressions, tried to communicate with the children, showing them the damaged parts of the spaceship. Together, the children and the alien formed a team, determined to work together to fix the spaceship and send the alien back home. The children felt excited and eager to help their new friend, and they were ready for the challenge ahead of them. And so, the bond between the friendly alien and the children grew stronger as they embarked on the mission to repair the spaceship. The alien and the children quickly became friends, despite the language barrier between them. The alien made friendly gestures towards the children, showing its gratitude for their willingness to help. The children, in turn, felt a sense of joy and excitement at the opportunity to befriend an extraterrestrial visitor. The alien and the children spent hours together, working on repairing the spaceship. The children gathered materials from the park, using sticks and leaves to patch up the broken parts of the spaceship. The alien watched closely, nodding its head in approval at the children's efforts. As they worked side by side, the children and the alien began to understand each other better. They shared smiles, laughter, and moments of teamwork as they repaired the spaceship. The alien even showed the children some of its technology, making the children marvel at the wonders of the universe. Through their actions, the children and the alien formed a strong bond of friendship. They learned to communicate not just through words, but through actions and gestures of kindness. The children were amazed by the alien's intelligence and kindness, and the alien was grateful for the children's help and companionship. After a day of hard work and shared experiences, the spaceship was finally repaired and ready for takeoff. The children looked up at the sky, feeling a mix of emotions as they realized it was time for their alien friend to return home. The alien expressed its gratitude to the children, using gestures to convey its heartfelt thanks. And with a final wave goodbye, the friendly alien boarded the spaceship and soared back into the stars, leaving behind memories of a truly unforgettable adventure with its new friends. The children felt a mix of emotions as they watched the alien fly away in its repaired spaceship. They knew they had made a true friend in the alien, and they cherished the memories of their adventure together. As they stood in the park, gazing up at the sky, the children felt a sense of pride in their ability to help someone in need. They were amazed by the experience and grateful for the opportunity to befriend an extraterrestrial visitor. The children knew that the friendly alien had left a mark on their hearts, and that they would always remember the day they met their out-of-this-world friend. And as they waved goodbye to the disappearing spaceship, the children felt a newfound sense of wonder and curiosity about the vast universe beyond their little park. The children waved goodbye to the alien as it flew off into the sky, disappearing among the stars. They stood in the park, feeling a mix of happiness and sadness. The children were grateful for the unforgettable adventure with their friendly alien friend. As they watched the spaceship disappear, the children knew that they had made a special connection and that they would always remember the day they helped an alien return home.